Students, today our topic name is the body machine, and today we are going to learn about the body machine. So students, the human body is wonderful machine created by God. It will be very interesting to learn about its performance. Let us first see how human body is made up of. So first we have cells. Do you any idea about these? Okay, let me tell you. Students, the human body is made from cells. Cells, living organisms, are made up of small structure called cells. Cells combine to form all of the body's tissues. So students, cells combine to form all of the body tissues. Now we have tissues. Tissues are a group of cells that are similar structure and act together to perform a specific function, and tissues combine together to form large units which are called body organs. So students, tissues combine together to form large units which are called body organs. So students, when cells combine form tissues, and when tissues combine to form body organs. And students, we have two type of body organs, internal organs and external organs. First we have students external organs. Students, external organs, these are visible to eyes. We can see them and for example, eyes, nose, ear, skin, tongue, these are our external organs, and these are special function. For example, eyes. Students, eyes help us to see, as you know. And students, we have nose, and nose help us to smell. And students, we have ear, and students, as you know, ear help us to hear. And students, tongue help us to taste different types of food. And student, skins help us to feel like hardness, softness and roughness of anything. So student, these are the functions of external organs. Now we have internal organs. And student, the internal organs, these are not visible, we cannot see them. For example, brain, heart, lungs, stomach, these are all our students internal organs, and we cannot see them. And these are also special functions. Students, for example, heart. Students, the heart lies on the left side of our body, our chest. It pumps blood all over the body. So function of heart, pumps blood all over the body. Now brain is present inside our head, control all our body function. It help us to think and remember. So student, brain help us to think and remember. Now student, we have lungs. Students, lungs lies between the chest, and they look like two balloons. They help us to breathe. When we breathe in, the air gets filled in the lungs, and when we breathe out, the air gets out of the lungs. Now we have students stomach, and the function of stomach to digest the food that we eat every day. So student, these are the functions of internal organs, and hopefully you understand the body machine and the function of internal and external organs. Internal organs, we cannot see them, and external organs, students, we see them. So students, hopefully you understand very well. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.